Hi everyone, today I will talk about the procedure from submission to acceptance of manuscript in Elsevier journal. So let's take the Journal of Hydrology for example. The procedure for all of the Elsevier journals is more or less the same. So this is just an example. So for example, you go to hydrology and submit your manuscript. So you click here, submit new manuscript, and then yes. And okay, now you need to decide your paper will be research paper, review article, technical notes, discussion, and so on. For example, I decided research article, and then next. And now you have to upload the manuscript file, supporting information, cover letter, yeah, general information about your manuscript. For example, you need to select 3 to 5 classification. Is the hydrology or water quality or modeling? Or there's many technical terms in here. Yeah. So and then next in the review preferences, here you need to request an editor, the handling is the one that will take care of your submitted manuscript. For example, here you can select one of the editor in here, and then next, additional information about your manuscript. For example, free preprint service or some questionnaires. So and then next is some comment that you want to inform um, the journal, and then final is the summary of your article. For example, the title, abstract, keyword, authors, funding information, and so on. And then you need to build your PDF approval. Yeah, but in here I haven't uploaded anything. So let's go back to the main menu. So assuming that you just submit your manuscript and everything going well, your manuscript will go from submission being processed. So what is being processed in here? So first, your manuscript need to be quality controlled. So some people will check for the figure quality and whether your manuscript follows the journal guideline or not. So if and then it will go into the editor assign, and then editor will invite reviewer, and it will going to be reviewed. And then if it's going to be reviewed, it would take around 2 to 3 months. That, and then the editor will take the decision, and your manuscript, if it need to be revised, it will go to submission being revision, which is a common case. It could be minor revision or major revision. And then the time in here is probably is 1 week. So after the number of required reviews uh, are completed, then the editor just take around 1 week to decide. And then you need to revise your manuscript and resubmit your revision. So the time in here is up to you. You can extend the deadline that given by the journal. So it's up to you. And then here uh, it's going to be a review again by maybe the same reviewers or the so new reviewer. It would take around maybe 1 month for the reviewer to review and the editor to decide. So it would take from here to here 1 month. 1 month. Okay, this is the normal procedure. Yeah, in total it takes like 2, 3, let's say 3 months plus 1 4, and plus this time it is, let's say, 1 to 2 months. So in total it take around 6 months for my case. So if something wrong happen, for example, your submission does not pass the quality check, it will be sent back to you, and then from here you can go directly to here, submit again, or go here to here. Yeah, and from any step here you could go directly to here. Yeah, and similar, when you submit your revised version, it will be, if there's something wrong, for example, you mm, forget something, or your manuscript does not follow journal guideline, it go back to here, or to here, or to here, and from here it can go directly to here again. Yeah. So thanks for your interest in watching this